Good morning, everyone. We're going to get started with our day today. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Our objective for math today is I can solve an open response problem with 3 or more add-ins by using place value concepts and addition strategy. Now remember, those open responses require us to use a lot of drawings, a lot of writing to explain our thinking. 3 or more add-ins. I want us to take a look at that word add-ins. Add-ins are the numbers that we are adding, okay? And we're going to be able to do that by using place value concepts and addition strategies, okay? We're going to get started with a math message. Your math message is on page 169. It says, Leah has 3 pencils. Thomas has 6 pencils. Nate has 7 pencils. How many pencils do they have in all? So if you can please go ahead and open up to page 169 and go ahead and work through that problem. It's already getting you a head start into thinking about 3 or more add-ins, since right here we're adding more than 2 add-ins, which is what we usually do. So your number model should include all of your numbers. So it should include the 3, the 6, and the 7. And remember, they're using the keyword in all, so your symbols should be addition. All right, and your number model should look something like this. 3 plus 6 plus 7 equals, and then I'll let you figure out your answer. You can have an adult at home check it out for you, okay? We're going to be moving on to the lesson for today, which is to solve an open response with 3 or more add-ins. So remember, those open responses are more independent. You are doing this on your own. However, if you want mom or dad or anybody at home to help you read the number story, they can also do that, but I'm going to be reading it to you as well through here. So here it goes. The open response I will be posting, but it says, a theater has 100 seats. So that's the total. That's how many seats it has. 4 schools are sending children to a puppet show at the theater. So the kids are going to a theater, okay? The first school will send 21 children, okay? And I would circle that number 21. That's how many kids that first school will be sending. The second will send 13. I will also circle that number. That's how many the second school is sending. Remember, use things to help you organize your ideas. The third will send 42. Circle that 42. And the fourth will send 19. Wow, we have circled about 4 different numbers. Those are all of the children that will be going to the theater. And remember, how many seats does the theater have? We learned that it has 100 seats. So your open response is going to ask you, are there enough seats in the theater for all the children? You must figure that out. How are you going to figure it out? Well, we said we're using addition strategies, so we're going to be adding in this open response, and you can also use place value. Remember, when we've used place value before, we've used it to add our numbers going vertically, right? We also did something similar with partial sum. So those are all different strategies that you could use to solve your open response. Now, one thing I do want to ask is that when you're doing an open response, we've done these a lot of times. They're mostly for independent work, okay? That means that you are working through these on your own. We'll go over it tomorrow at a different video, and then we'll be able to revise our work at home. But as of right now, you are doing this independently. And remember, open responses require a lot of writing and drawing to explain your thinking and what strategies you use to get to your answer, okay? That's it for today.